Thawing and cooking frozen hash browns perfectly.
Hello there, food lovers! In this video, we're going to explore how to properly thaw frozen hash browns before cooking them in a frying pan. This simple trick will help you achieve delicious, crispy hash browns every single time. Let's get started.
Why should I thaw hash browns?
Thawing hash browns before cooking them is an important step because it helps to remove excess moisture. If you cook hash browns while they're still frozen, they can turn out soggy and not nearly as tasty. So, it's always a good idea to thaw them first to ensure a crispier result.
How do I thaw hash browns?
Here's the easy method to thaw your frozen hash browns. 1. Remove the frozen hash browns from the package and place them in a bowl. 2. Let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes to an hour, or until they are thawed. 3. Drain any excess water from the thawed hash browns. You can also use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels to gently squeeze out additional moisture. Remember, the drier the hash browns, the crispier they'll get when cooked. Remember, don't rush the process by using the microwave to thaw hash browns. This can make them unevenly thawed and potentially soggy.
How do I cook thawed hash browns?
Now that your hash browns are properly thawed, it's time to cook them. Here's a simple process. 1. Preheat your frying pan over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon or 2 of oil or butter. 2. Once the pan is hot, spread the thawed hash browns evenly across the pan. 3. Cook for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and crispy. Remember to avoid stirring them frequently. This helps to achieve a nice, even crisp. 4. Season with salt and pepper or your favorite seasonings, and they're ready to serve. And that's it, folks. You now know how to perfectly thaw and cook frozen hash browns. Always remember to be patient during the thawing process and drain as much moisture as possible. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your cooking, and until next time, happy eating!